Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and this is just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will go live this afternoon, Sunday, January the 21st at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I've got some exciting news. Well, it's exciting to me to share with you. Actually, I got a lot of stuff to share with you, but I got a brand new expensive toy that I can't wait to show you. Give you a hint. It probably has something to do with my quilting. And I'm hoping that I will be able to show you my finished quilt. I just have to put the binding on it today, so I hope I will get that done before we go live. And what else have we got on our list? Well, what are we watching? What are we reading? We've got Walter was out for lunch this week. I'm going to talk about cologne. I'm also going to talk about a very serious subject that will affect quite a few YouTube creators, and if it affects the YouTube creators, it's going to affect you, the YouTube watchers, as well. So I want to discuss that too. So anyways, lots to talk about. I hope you can join us. Bring your drink, whether it's coffee or something a little stronger. Feel free to join us. So that's today, January the 21st, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.